Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to apply for Amazon Rewards Visa card. Open the website, then click on the account and list on the upper right part of the screen. Now, enter your email or mobile phone number, then click on Continue. Next, enter your password, then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the top right part of the screen. Click on the option that says Account and Lists. On this page, scroll down to the bottom. Under Other Programs, you will see an option that says Amazon Credit Cards. Click on Amazon Credit Cards. Here you will see a section that says Amazon Rewards Visa Card. Click on Learn about the card option on its right side. Next, click on Apply Now and get $60 Amazon gift card upon approval. Now, enter all the necessary information such as your first name, middle initial, last name, home address, primary phone number, and email address. Also, select a statement and communication delivery preference. You can choose between online only or by mail. Click on the option you wish to select. After that, click on Continue to Next Step. Here, enter your SSN/ITIN. After that, enter your birth date and your mother's maiden name. Also, choose whether to add an authorized user or no. Then, click on Continue to Next Step. Next, follow the on-screen instructions on how to add finances and submit your application. That's how you apply for Amazon Rewards Visa card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.